Hello, welcome to the inaugural edition of Mark Holmes's Haphazard Household Hints. Anyway, I hope to use this old table saw which I bought at a charity auction and turn it into a stump grinder or perhaps a stump duster. So we'll see how it goes. Watch along. I hope you enjoy. You are your own warranty. Yes, my equipment is quite old. This was given to me by my mother when I still lived at home. I didn't do that the last time I plugged it in. Oh dear. Well, we may just have to deal with it. This thing, obviously, I haven't used this thing for some years. I can't find the one my dad gave me only 30 years ago. My battery unit isn't charged up, so we'll just have to do with this. Maybe if I make enough money with this, I'll be able to afford a camera person. But right now, I'm just having to guess as to what's actually visible in the camera. But this board and one other like it, I intend to become a skid, or maybe possibly called a runner. But you'll see that later on, if you watch that far, and I certainly hope that you do. Just enjoy the cats if you can see them. I used to detest cats, but I have learned that they are considerably more complicated than I ever thought they were. And they do have some things to recommend them. I wouldn't say I'm a cat lover yet, but I have come to give them more credit than I used to. Pity I didn't buy this new. It could have been a nice saw, but I didn't get it new, so we'll just deal with it. Okay, that is enough for this. Thank you for watching this episode of Mark Holmes' Haphazard Household Hints. Thank you.